Good morning to all of you. Yes, last class we have discussed about some problems under de Broglie matter waves. Let us continue. Okay, today's first problem you write. Okay, wave mechanics, de Broglie matter waves. Okay, under that de Broglie matter waves, we are discussing some problems. Okay. Yes, write this. Find the de Broglie wavelength. Find the velocity of an electron. Find the velocity of an electron. Find the velocity of an electron. Find the velocity of an electron whose de Broglie wavelength, today I will cover this one. De Broglie wavelength is 1.5 angstrom. Is 1.5 angstrom. Okay. Yes, we are not taking the relativistic mass of an electron. Okay, of an electron, he says. Therefore, mass of an electron is 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Wavelength is this 1.5 angstrom. Convert in the form of meter. Convert in the form of meter. 1 angstrom is equal to 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Find the velocity. Find the velocity, small letter v. Capital V, if you are writing, it is a voltage, potential difference. Now formula, lambda is equal to h divided by 2m ev. Okay, velocity we are supposed to calculate. 1 minute, just a minute. Lambda is equal to h divided by mv. We can use the formula now. Lambda is equal to h divided by mv. Directly we can use this formula. Because velocity we want to calculate. Therefore, v is equal to h divided by v, it has been taken this side, m multiplied by lambda, that is 6.625 10 to the power minus 34, small m 9.1 10 to the power minus 31, lambda is 1.5. Okay, so how much is this value? Quickly you have to solve it. 4 point, how much they have shown it, I don't know. A 0.48, somebody is showing, I am writing 4853, 10 to the power plus 7. Okay, they are showing that I am writing. Okay, 0.4853, 10 to the power plus 7. Yes, right? That is the correct answer. That is the correct answer. Only one person who got the correct answer. Next question you write. "20 kV is applied to the electrons. 20 kV is applied to electrons in an electron microscope. Calculate its de Broglie wavelength." So voltage is given here. 20 kV is applied. Voltage is given. So that is equal to 20 into 10 to the power 3 volts. Voltage it has been applied. It is an electron. Calculate its de Broglie wavelength. De Broglie wavelength. Since it is electron, mass of this electron is equal to 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. So use the formula lambda is equal to h divided by square root of 2 MeV. Electron charge, you are aware of that. 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So substitute, get the answer here. 6.625 2 into 9.1 10 to the power minus 31, electron charge 1.6 multiplied by this 20 into 10 to the power 3. I will not solve, you have to solve it. Calculation part, you are supposed to do it. Yesterday we have discussed about, day before yesterday, already we have discussed about how to solve this one using calculator. Now use the calculator, get the answer quickly. You got the answer? .867. 0.868 10 to the power of minus 16. Check it up. 0.868 10 to the power how much? Minus 11. Okay, correct. It's correct. Monisha, you are right. 0.868 10 to the power of minus 11 meter. So, man, if you are absent for the most of the classes, you are absent now. Now you will come to know that how much is the difficulty. I am solving everything. I am solving everything except calculation, but we don't know how to do this calculation. Except one person. Only one girl, she has done the calculation using calculator. We don't know how to use the calculator. We are in the dangerous situation. Okay, problems means all of them, they are absent. Theory class, simply sitting and going. Not so easy. Then afterwards you will say that one. Okay, physics we cannot understand. Physics is easy if you are attending all the classes. Yes, calculate the wavelength of matter waves. Calculate the wavelength of matter waves associated with an electron which has been accelerated from rest through a potential difference of 1.25 kilovolts. Small k, capital V, 1.25 kilovolts. Okay, first, what are all the things are given? Voltage is given. 1.25 kilovolts. That is 1.25 kilo. Kilo means 10 to the power 3 volts. Calculate the wavelength of an electron. Electron mass. This is applicable only for electron. This ideas, this constant, whatever I am writing. Electron charge. Cool. Now the concerned formula, lambda is equal to h divided by square root of 2m EV. Yes, given the voltage. Yes, substitute and get the answer. 6.625 square root of 2, 9.1 electron charge, voltage 1.25, 10 to the power of 3. Substitution, calculation. Substitution, I did it. You do the calculation. Everything must be in terms of SI unit, joule into second, kg, coulomb. This is volts. Okay, we can. How much? 0 point. Show it again. No. Syed Sufyan. No. It's wrong answer. Calculate. 3.47 10 to the power of minus 11. 3.47. Very good. 3.47 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, ma. It's right. Monisha, she is doing very well. Others, you had to write, you had to learn. Okay. Third one. What is the momentum of a photon? What is the momentum of a proton? What is the momentum of a proton having kinetic energy? This is not the first class problems. If it is a first class, okay, I can say that one, you take this, multiply, and taking the square root, how to take the square root, explaining everything. This is the last ending class of the problems of this particular chapter. What is the momentum of a proton having kinetic energy? If concepts are given, you have to do the calculation. Kinetic energy, 1 billion electron volts. 1 billion electron volts, not million, BeV. So kinetic energy is given 1 billion electron volt. But kinetic energy formula in terms of joules. 1 billion, billion means 10 to the power 9 eV. But this is not in terms of SI unit. Convert in the form of SI unit. 10 to the power 9, 1.6, 10 to the power minus 19 joules. Now this is joules, no problem. We can calculate the momentum. So momentum. Momentum means mass into velocity. That is momentum. Here mass into velocity is coming up. Yes. So therefore, V is equal to how much, or P is equal to how much? P is equal to mv, momentum. This is P. P is equal to mv. That I supposed to calculate. mv only if we are keeping here. Remaining things, what will happen? 2, it will go here. Okay. mv square is equal to, using this, 2, it will multiplied by here. 1 into 10 to the power 9. Together we can do the calculation. Now I want to calculate mv here. If I want to calculate here, multiplied by m on both the sides. This side and this side. Multiplying by m on both the sides. Otherwise, mv only we require. Okay. Yes. Otherwise, it will be becoming double work. Okay. Hoping that you have understood. Next stage. What is the next stage? mv whole square here. M multiplied by m square v square is equal to, here multiplying by m into 2 into 10 to the power 9 into 1.6 minus 19, correct? 2 into m into 1 into 10 to the power 9, 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19, correct? This can be written as mv whole square. Same thing. I want to calculate mv here. Square root of m value 9.1, 10 to the power minus 31, 2 into 10 to the power 9, 1.6, 10 to the power minus 19. So multiply all these things and get the answer for this. Take the square root also. It is proton. Wait for a minute. Ah, very good. Thank you. Thank you. It is a proton. Then proton mass must be given. Given mass of the proton is 1.67, 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Thank you. 1.67, 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Therefore, mass of the electron, whatever we have chosen, it is to be changed. Mass of the electron is given here. Instead of that one, we have to take 1.67, 10 to the power minus 27 because it is a proton. Okay, 1.67. Yes, very good. Proton mass is 1.67, 10 to the power of minus 27 kg. Electron mass is 9.1, 10 to the power of minus 31 kg. 0.731, 10 to the power of minus 18. Correct. 0.731, 10 to the power minus 18 kg meter. Kg meter per second. This is kg. Velocity meter per second. Nothing else. This is kg. Velocity meter per second. You have to write. Okay, do it fast. Calculate the wavelength of an electron of 1 MeV. 1 MeV. Of course, you should not take the relativistic mass. Okay, rest mass only we have to take. Calculate the wavelength of an electron. Let us see that. Wavelength of an electron. Wavelength. Energy is given. Energy is given 1 MeV. Convert in the form of joules. Immediately it is an electron. Wavelength we have to calculate. Therefore, mass of the electron is this. 1 MeV, million, capital M this is. Million means 10 to the power 6 eV. 1 eV is equal to 1.6, 10 to the power minus 19. So many joules. Convert in the form of so many joules. Lambda is to be determined. So lambda is equal to h divided by square root of 2me. Substitution calculation, you do it. I said substitution calculation, you do it, but I am doing the substitution. Only the thing is calculation, at least you have to do using your calculator. That also wrong. You are showing so many occasions except Monisha. Capital E. All of you had to do the practice. Answer. Do it slowly. If you are finishing off quickly, I will start a new topic tomorrow. (1.22 10 to the power of minus 12, right? Jennifer, very good. 1.227 10 to the power minus 12 meter. This is the right answer. You are supposed to get third decimal point. It's okay. At least this problem, 3 or 4 of you that you have shown it. Next question. Problem number 5. The de Broglie wavelength of a proton is the de Broglie wavelength of a proton is 1 angstrom. Find its kinetic energy in EV. Find its kinetic energy in EV. Okay, proton is given. If proton is given, what is this mass? 1.67 10 to the power minus 27 kg. If proton is given, that mass, whose de Broglie wavelength is given 1 angstrom 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Convert angstrom in the form of meter. Find its kinetic energy in terms of EV. Not in terms of joules, in terms of EV we want to calculate. Okay. Of course, proton charge is 1.6 10 to the power of minus 19 coulomb. Proton charge remains same. Yes. How we are going to start? Lambda is equal to h divided by mv. Using that kinetic energy in terms of joules, we can calculate. Okay, yes. Lambda is equal to h divided by mv. Lambda is given 1 into 10 to the power minus 10, 6.625 10 to the power minus 34, mass 1.6 10 to the power 67, 10 to the power minus 27 multiplied by V. I supposed to calculate this V. I will borrow this one here. 6.625 10 to the power minus 34. This is 1 10 to the power minus 10. 10 to the power minus 27. First we have to calculate this V, meter per second. I want to calculate kinetic energy. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square in terms of joules. But we want to get in terms of EV. Therefore, kinetic energy is equal to half mv square divided by That charge 1.6 10 to the power minus 19. Now it has been converted in the form of EV. Substitution calculation, you do it. M 1.67 velocity square 2 into 1.6. We can do another way also here. I will show that also. So many EV. This is one of the methods. Which is the other method here? Other method, directly we can use the another formula. Kinetic energy E we can calculate. Lambda is equal to H divided by square root of 2me. Squaring on both the sides. Lambda square is equal to H square divided by 2me. E I supposed to calculate. I will take up to the left hand side. E is equal to H square divided by 2m multiplied by lambda square. H 6.625 10 to the power minus 34. This is in terms of joules, don't forget. Mass 1.67 10 to the power minus 27. Lambda value 1 into 10 to the power minus 10, that's square. You will get E in terms of joules, but I don't want in terms of joules. I want to calculate in terms of EV. Therefore, E is equal to same number here divided by 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 in terms of EV. So therefore, you will get in terms of EV. If you know the subject, we can solve the problem in different ways. Both are one and the same. Zero point 0.082. 0.082. Very good. Okay. 0.082. 19, it's okay. 19, it's okay. I want the last answer. Like this also you do it, whether you are getting the same answer or not, check it out. This problem, it has been asked in one of the university examinations. Okay, finished. Got the answer? The question, 4 minutes time is there. Let us solve, if possible, 2 more problems. Write this. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of 143 volts electron. Means for an electron, we have applied this amount of voltage. potential difference, it has been applied. That's enough. Yes. 143 volts electron. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of this. So voltage is given for an electron. Electron is given, therefore the mass of the electron is 9.1 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Whenever it is required, we can use it. 1.6 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength. Lambda is equal to how much? Voltage is given as 143 volts. Formula, lambda is equal to h divided by square root of 2m EV. Substitution calculation, you do it. Data is given. Formula is given. Substitution, I didn't do this. For this problem, substitution, it has not been done by me. So you have to do the substitution, get the calculations now, quickly. How much is the lambda value? 1.0. I mean, how much? 10 to the power of minus 9. Very good. Okay. 1.0 point, of course. 0.102. Okay. Next question. Calculate the de Broglie wavelength of a proton moving with moving with 1/20th of the velocity of light. Velocity of light. 1/20th of the velocity of light. Calculate the wavelength, de Broglie wavelength of a proton. Proton mass 1.67 10 to the power minus 27 kg. Proton charge 1.6 10 to the power, no problem, we can write. Moving with a velocity, calculate the de Broglie wavelength. Moving with a velocity v, small letter v, 1